Hi guys, welcome to Shivan's Spice Cook with Hama's new episode. In today's episode, I am going to share a recipe for Shakshouka, very easy and quick recipe. Please note down the ingredients. For today's recipe, we need the following ingredients. We need some oil, some onions, eggs, some green chilies, tomatoes, cilantro. For spices, we need some cayenne pepper powder, salt, cumin seeds, some crushed red chili peppers, garlic paste, tomato paste, some salt, and black pepper to sprinkle on top. Okay, over here my stove is hot and I'm going to add about 3/4 or half a cup of oil. Now I'm going to add my chopped onion. Alright, I have fried the onions until it became pretty much translucent. Now I'm going to add the chopped tomatoes. Including tomato paste. All the spices. And I'm going to fry it until the moisture from tomato is pretty much gone by 80%. Now, when the moisture from tomato is about 80% gone, I'm going to add chopped green chilies. Mix it well. Fry it for another 1 minute or so. Okay, now I'm going to reduce the heat on the lowest possible. And I'm going to make this little space on the surface of the pan with my spoon. Now I'm going to add eggs one by one. Like so. Since I have reduced the stove on the simmer point, where it's lowest point, and I'm going to sprinkle a little salt on top. And some black pepper. And some crushed red pepper. It's optional. Now I'm going to cover the lid and I'm going to let it cook on the simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I'll check back on it in 10 minutes. Alright, it's been 10 minutes already and I am going to check on these eggs. Looks like they're pretty much done. You can check by lifting one of those eggs with the help of spatula and check from the bottom if they're oozing, feeling a little liquidy, so you can let it cook further for a few more minutes. But looks like it's done and the yolks are pretty much cooked and not feeling mushy or liquidy. Now I'm going to add some chopped cilantro on top. You can skip this part because I know some people they don't like cilantro. You can also sprinkle some chopped green peppers on top if you want it a little extra spicy, but again it's optional. Now I am going to cover it for another and let it cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, let's check on our eggs. Let's see if it is ready. It looks like to me it's perfectly ready. Cooked from bottom and from top as well. It's pretty much hard from top as well. Okay, I'm going to turn off the stove. Alright guys, that was it for today's recipe. You guys can serve this recipe with naan bread, paratha, or toasted bread, whichever way makes you happy. Please subscribe my channel if you guys haven't done it yet. I'll see you guys with another recipe. You guys take care. Bye bye.